Why is a private investigator looking into a traffic fatality?
What can you tell me about?
Do you drink?
Heavily, it's a point of pride.
Should you and I discuss this over a drink?
Tuesdays I dry out.
Today's Wednesday.
Today is Tuesday.
Action! Ooh, you're fascinating.
And you haven't even seen the riddle tattooed on my ass.
Honey, Don't. Premieres Saturday, April 4th, 9 p.m. on HBO. You're watching HBO.